this is the weighted average method. This method uses average costs of the units that we have in inventory at the time of the sale, so that's important to note. So here, if I have beginning inventory, same problem, I'm just doing each method on it. If I have beginning inventory, I have 10 units at $91. Then I purchase 15 units at $106, and then I have a sale of 20 units. So I say, what do I have in inventory at that time? I have the 10 units at 91, and then I have 15 units at 106. And when I add those up, I have 25 units in inventory that have a total cost of $2,500. And so what I do is get the average cost. So I take the $2,500 divided by those 25 units, and I get an average cost of $100 per unit, and I multiply that times the 20 units that I sold, and that gives me a cost of goods sold of $2,000. And so therefore that leaves me left in the ending inventory. After that, it leaves me 5 units at 20. So I leave that, I keep that average cost. And so then on August 17, I purchased 20 units at 115, and then on August the 28th, I purchased 10 units at 119. And then I have a sale on August the 31st. So what do I have in inventory at that time? Remember, I have those 5 units left over with that average cost of 20. And then I have the 20 units at 115. And then I have those 10 units at 119. And so when I add those up, it gives me 35 units at a total cost of $35.90. And so when I get the average cost, I take the $35.90 and divide it by my 35 units, and I get an average cost of $102.57. And then I multiply that times the 23 units that I sold, and I get a cost of goods sold of $2,359 and some cents. And so what's left over? My ending inventory. If I had 35, sold 23, that leaves me 12 units at the $102.57 average cost, which equals $1,230.84. So that's my ending inventory, and my cost of goods sold for the month is $4,359.11. And that's the weighted average. The thing to remember is before each sale, what do I have in inventory? What units do I have in inventory before each sale? So that's what you want to look at. What units do I have in inventory before each sale? And then you get an average cost. Thank you.